To open an Absa Bank student account, follow these simple steps. First, determine if you are eligible for the account. You need to be a student registered at a recognized tertiary institution in South Africa and have a valid student card and proof of registration. Next, gather all the necessary documents, including a valid South African identity document, proof of residence, and your student card. Then visit the Absa Bank website to download and complete the application form. Or visit your nearest Absa Bank branch to collect the form. Fill in the application form accurately and sign it. Then submit the form along with your supporting documents to the bank. The bank will verify your information and documents. This may take a few days. Once your account is approved, you will receive an email or SMS with instructions on how to activate your account and set up your online banking profile. You will need to choose a username and password and set up a PIN for your debit card. After activating your account, you can start using it to manage your finances, pay bills, and make transactions. You can also take advantage of the benefits that come with the account, such as low monthly fees and exclusive discounts. To get the most out of your Absa Bank student account, make sure to keep your account details and login information safe and secure. Regularly check your account balance and transaction history to ensure everything is in order. By following these steps and tips, you can easily open and manage an Absa Bank student account and take control of your financial future. The Absa Bank student account is designed to help students manage their finances while studying, with features such as low fees and flexible payment options.